Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade ice cream. First, gather your essential ingredients. 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and your preferred flavorings. Make sure your ice cream maker's bowl has been frozen for at least 24 hours. This preparation is key for a smooth, creamy result. Next, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, and sugar in a saucepan. Whisk these ingredients together over medium-low heat until the sugar completely dissolves. It's important not to boil the mixture. Just warm it enough to ensure everything is well incorporated. This gentle heating creates a smooth, consistent base for your ice cream. Once your base is ready, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even overnight for best results. A very cold base churns more efficiently. Then, pour the chilled mixture into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl. Churn for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the ice cream reaches a soft serve consistency. After churning, transfer the soft ice cream into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 to 3 hours to allow it to firm up properly. This final freezing step ensures a scoopable texture. Now, your delicious homemade ice cream is ready to be enjoyed. Add your favorite toppings and savor every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.